Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss about the use of if statements to create conditional statements. So how do we create conditional statements using if and the equality and rational operators? So the syntax is that we will write if, let me take another marker. So we will write if, and then we will have a parenthesis, and in here we will write the condition that we have. We will provide the condition. This condition can be created using the equality operator and the rational operator that we discussed in the previous episode. And there will be a closing parenthesis and there will be a starting braces. And there will be an ending braces as well. So if this condition in here evaluates to true, these statements that are going to be provided inside of these braces, they are going to be executed. Statement, it will be a statement of code in here, another statement of code, so there could be multiple statements. These are going to be executed, and these statements are located inside of these braces. They will be executed if this condition evaluates to true. Otherwise, if this condition is false, these statements will not be executed. And this is how we can create if statements. Now let's go on my laptop, and I want to create a very simple if statement, and I can show you how if statements are being created. So here we are on my laptop, and now let's go and write our first if statement. So we will write if. You can see that already the IDE recognized if, and that's why it made it bold. If, and then the parentheses, the opening parenthesis, and the closing parenthesis. And inside of the parenthesis, we will write some type of a condition. So we will write, for example, that 3 is greater than or maybe less than 4. So this is our condition. And in here we are opening a braces. The opening braces and the closing braces are brackets. And inside of these brackets we will write the statement that we want to be executed. So there will be statements. Our statement is going to be a printf statement. We will say that I am being executed within if statement. So in case this condition becomes true or evaluates to true, this printf statement is going to be executed. Otherwise, this printf statement is not going to be executed. So let's go and have another printf statement outside of the if block. Here we were going to write I'm being executed out of if statement, so that we can see the flow of the program. So the program starts here from the main function. It comes to this if statement. It checks this condition. It sees that if this condition is true, it is going to execute this printf statement, and if this condition is false, basically it will ignore the whole if block and will continue from here. So let's go and run this program. Okay, maybe I should put. Now let's go and run this program once again. Okay, now you can see that the flow of the execution of the program started from here, from the main function. It came to this if statement. It saw that 3 is less than 4. That is correct. That's why this printf inside of the if block was executed and being executed within if statement. So the if statement block was executed, and the flow of the program continued outside of the if statement as well. So I'm being executed out of the if statement, and we got both of these printf statements. Now if we make a situation where this if condition is false, that means that if 3 is greater than 4, this is a false condition and it will evaluate to false. Now if we try to execute this program, you can see that only the out of if statement was executed. The inside block of the if statement was completely ignored because this condition evaluated to false. And that's how if conditions work. That's it for this episode. See you in the coming episodes.